Hey everyone, I hope you are well. I am yapping about Palantir as usual here. Let's talk about what we've seen so far with what is going on with Palantir. Okay, so Monday, quarterlies will be released. These are the second quarterlies of this year. Now, we're not expecting these quarterlies to have billions and billions of dollars on them, but we are expecting to have an uptick on them, which will bring in a solid, more solid foundation of where Palantir is going here with the breadcrumbs of what we've already seen with all these new deals and what's come here. And listen, obviously this is not a long video. I have preached on what's going on here, what we know to be going on. This week was not a great week in the market. Rates increased, inflation's still crazy, gas prices are rising, things are starting to get more expensive again. So things are just not going well in the overall economy. If you think it is, well, that's good for you. I'm glad it's going well for you. But generally speaking, the majority of people right now are just not too happy with the economics of where America is headed and where it's at right now. So the stock market will always take the abuse from that feeling in the atmosphere. But all in all, Palantir had a good week. We can sit here and complain about 18, 19, but those are still very high numbers compared to even where we were even 2 weeks ago, especially a month ago. I'm going to be honest, I was expecting Palantir to be playing around like a $20, $22 mark at this point. Now, Monday, things could be different. The market could kind of snap back. We could see these quarterlies come out and really change something, what's going to happen here. The new playground probably for Palantir for the moment here will probably be an $18 to a $25 range. It'll probably play around there. We've seen that with Palantir as of late, where it's played around these high new gains, and that's pretty much what a lot of these stock analysts are coming out and they're making their new number out there to $20-$25 where Palantir is going to be playing around, which sounds about right. It doesn't sound crazy, it doesn't sound too low. It sounds pretty much where we're probably going to see Palantir playing around it. But the word on the street is that we're expecting Palantir's substantial growth to continue, and that's why these quarterlies are so just so important right now. So friends, whether you think it's going to be a $15, $20, $25, $30, $50, $100 stock, all of these are possible. These are all possible numbers we could see. I think it's pretty safe to say, as long as the quarterlies are good on Monday, we will see Palantir jump back up into these 20s. The question is, can we see such a crazy number with Palantir Monday, like a $25, $30 price mark? Could we see that? My famous thing to say is that my favorite thing to say is that the stock market has no rules. It's always breaking the rules and expectations of what people think it's going to do. And Palantir could definitely be in that category this Monday. We could see it run some crazy number. That's very, very possible. My concern with a lot of this right now is just the overall market. What is the overall market going to allow this week? Like I said in the beginning, inflation numbers, people are just getting unhappy. We're getting closer to the holidays. People are tightening up money, from people's tax returns is disappearing more and more, and people are running out of money, and it's tight out there. And these are all things that hurt the market, hurt the investor. And this is still not a bull market. This is a very much bear market we're in. It's it's a better market than we had last year, that's for sure. This is probably the best market we've had in the past 4 years since Trump. It's still not, the market that we had even, 3-4 years ago, when we had our last big bull market. So it's just a market right now where investors are building. They're building portfolios right now. We're buying, holding, buying, holding. Yes, a lot of people are selling here, there, doing trades, and that, it's fine. But I do believe the majority of people that are, even buying Palantir here are in for the long run, because we're expecting this to be double, triple digits maybe in the next near future. So friends, I'm going to stop yapping. Monday, I wish everyone the best of luck. I am very curious to see what is going to happen here. How big are we going to be on quarterlies? Are we going to completely bypass expectations and just blow them out of the water? Are we going to just meet it, or could we fall short? I don't know that we'll fall short. I don't think that's out in the ether right now. It should be a good Monday. Friends, I will talk to you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.